Army's supply chain of rations once again under the scanner. This time, an internal audit conducted by the Defence Accounts is alleging that the Army is over-procuring ration for at least 2 lakh non-existent Army men. Army men have the option of either drawing ration in cash, called the ration money allowance, or getting cooked meals. Especially when officers and jawans go on leave or are unwell, they can avail this facility, with the allowance getting directly credited to their salaries. 10 lakh personnel took their ration in kind and not cash, which means they either ate cooked meals at messes or ate with families in peacetime areas. The audit also found that about 670 crores was allocated as ration monthly allowance, which at the rate of 46 rupees per head per person translates to monthly allowance for 4 lakh personnel. The total strength of the Army then adds up to 14 lakh, 2 lakh more than the actual figure. The audit alleged that either more is being procured or more is being given as ration allowance. Not just that, the report is critical of the tendering process and believes one inventory system is needed. The Army's response has been critical. They say suspicion that they are procuring in surplus and perhaps diverting is unfounded. At any point in time, they need to procure for 5/6 of the actual posted strength of troops. Further, lack of chain of vendors in remote or disturbed locations like Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast mean they need to rely on their own supply depots. The Army's response, experts say, has been predictable. But allegations of wastage and malpractices in the supply chain of rations have come not just from the Comptroller and Auditor General, but also the Public Accounts Committee. This time, the criticism is from within. In New Delhi, Anubha Bhosle.